Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic today is about binomial expansion. So now I want to show you how to answer. We apply the formula in here. K equals to number 0 to number 12 because we have the power number 12 in here. Combination 12K. So we have two terms in here, number 1 and 0.03. So this one we have 1 to the power of k multiplied by 0.03, 12 minus k. So because this one they always equals to number 1, so we can simplify like this. So the next one, the odd term is less than 1/10 of or minus 1 term. So that means we have this equation 12CR. Now we change K into R. Equals to number 10 multiplied by 12 CR minus 1, and this one minus R minus 1 in here. So we have the formula of combination. So we need to transform this one and this one into this one. This one we have like this. This one we have 0.0 number 12 and we have 0.03 R minus 1. Now we need to simplify. So this one, this one, this one and this one, they are simplified. This one we simplify this one in here. So we just have only 0.03. So if we simplify, we just have like this. So 12 minus negative number 1, we have 13 minus R factorial. So about this one, we can transform into R minus 1 factorial multiplied by R. This one we can transform into 12 minus R factorial, and we have 13 minus R. So this one, this one, this one and this one, they are simplified. So we just have only 1 over R equals to 0.3 over 13 minus R. So I will put this one gone here, and 0.3 are gone here, and this one I will put in here, and we have positive r plus 0.3 r, we have 1.3 r, and we divide both sides by 1.3, so r equals to number 10. Because this is about integers, so that's the final answer.